Welcome to TechLeopard channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable Photos location option on Google Photos in your Windows laptop or PC. So at first you have to open Chrome browser to open up your Google Photos. After that, just click on this menu icon and open up Photos. Then click on this settings icon. From here scroll down a bit and here you can see location and manage your location data. So just click here and that's it. You can see estimate missing locations option. Now if you enable this option from here, then it use landmarks and other sources to estimate where your photos were taken. That means you can check or see your photos location where these photos and video were taken. That's it. So just click here and you can see it's enabled successfully. And that is how you can enable Photos location on Google Photos in your Windows laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.